Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the possibility of life on Mars? Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun in our solar system, often captivates us with its reddish glare, earning it the nickname the Red Planet. This distinct color is thanks to the iron oxide or rust that adorns its surface. Named after the Roman god of war, Mars is not as hospitable as our home planet. It possesses a thin atmosphere, composed primarily of carbon dioxide. Its surface temperatures can swing from biting cold to somewhat mild, a testament to the planet's extreme conditions. Yet, despite these harsh realities, Mars holds a certain allure, the potential for it to harbor life, its stark similarities to Earth, and the mysteries it holds within its diverse landscape of deserts, mountains, valleys, and polar ice caps, all make it an intriguing subject of study. Mars has always fascinated us, with its potential to harbor life and its similarities to Earth. Our fascination with Mars began centuries ago when astronomers first noticed its reddish hue. This striking color, reminiscent of blood and fire, led to its name, Mars, after the Roman god of war. The ancients were drawn to Mars's fiery glow, but it wasn't until the invention of the telescope that we could take a closer look. Early observations revealed a world with polar ice caps and seasonal changes, sparking curiosity and intrigue. For many, Mars became a mirror of Earth, a place of deserts, mountains, and perhaps even life. This comparison to Earth wasn't just fanciful imagination. Mars shares similarities with our home planet, from its day length to the tilt of its axis. These observations fueled our fascination, leading to countless scientific missions aimed at unraveling the mysteries of the Red Planet. The discovery of Mars sparked countless questions, among them, could Mars support life? Liquid water is crucial for life as we understand it, and it appears that Mars might have once had it. This isn't just idle speculation. The evidence can be found etched into the very surface of the Red Planet itself. There are signs of ancient river valleys and lake beds, remnants of a time when Mars was not as dry and barren as it is today. These features suggest that Mars was once a world with flowing water, much like our own. Even more intriguing are the mineral deposits found scattered across the Martian landscape. These minerals, which form in the presence of water, hint at a watery history dating back billions of years. The discovery of these features is a significant clue in our quest to understand if life could have ever existed on Mars. The presence of water, even in the past, could mean that Mars was once a hospitable home for life. While liquid water isn't stable on the surface of Mars today, could it exist beneath the surface? The surface of Mars might be inhospitable, but could life exist beneath it? This question has intrigued scientists for years. While the Martian surface is too cold and its atmosphere too thin to sustain liquid water, the story might be different beneath the surface. Scientists believe that Mars may possess subsurface aquifers or underground reservoirs, which are shielded from the harsh surface conditions. These hidden pockets of water could theoretically exist in a liquid state, given the pressure and warmth from the planet's interior. If such reservoirs exist, they could provide a stable environment for life as we know it. Microbial life on Earth has been found in the most unexpected places, from deep-sea vents to under Antarctic ice. If these tiny life forms can survive in Earth's extreme environments, why not on Mars? This possibility underscores the importance of future exploration, focusing on the Martian subsurface. If life exists on Mars, it might be hiding beneath the surface. Mars is not just a barren desert, it has the chemical building blocks essential for life. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the Red Planet, we find that it contains elements such as carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur, all of which are crucial for life as we know it. The Martian soil and atmosphere are rich in these elements, making it a potential habitat for life. What's more fascinating is the detection of organic molecules on Mars, the very building blocks of life. These complex compounds, made up of carbon along with other elements, are crucial to all known forms of life. While the origins of these molecules are still being studied, their presence certainly adds a tantalizing piece to the puzzle of potential life on Mars. Yet Mars presents a harsh and extreme environment. With bitter cold temperatures, a thin atmosphere primarily composed of carbon dioxide, and high levels of radiation, it's a far cry from our earthly home. But let's not lose hope just yet. Here on Earth, life forms known as extremophiles have shown us that life can indeed thrive in extreme conditions. These hardy organisms live in places that are intensely hot, cold, acidic, or even radioactive. So, could similar extremophiles exist on Mars? It's a question that scientists are eagerly trying to answer. Despite the harsh conditions, Mars holds the potential ingredients for life. The red planet continues to amaze us, pushing the boundaries of what we believe is possible and keeping the dream of finding extraterrestrial life alive. Robotic missions to Mars are shedding light on the planet's past and present habitability. The Mars rovers' Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance have been our eyes and ears on this distant world. They've traversed vast plains, climbed mountains, and peered into craters, all the while sending back invaluable data. Spirit and Opportunity, the twin rovers that landed in 2004, discovered evidence of past water activity on Mars. Curiosity, which touched down in 2012, found organic molecules and an environment that could have supported microbial life billions of years ago. The latest rover, Perseverance, has a more specific mission: to look for signs of ancient life and collect samples that could one day be returned to Earth for study. But the exploration of Mars is far from over. Future missions aim to dig deeper, quite literally. Plans are in the works to drill into the Martian subsurface, where liquid water might exist, and where life, if it's there at all, may be hiding. The search for life on Mars is a painstaking process, each mission building on the findings of the last. It's a journey of discovery that takes us not only outward into the cosmos, but also inward, into the very essence of what it means to be alive. While the mystery of life on Mars remains unsolved, every new discovery brings us one step closer to answering this age-old question.